Hello everyone, this is your favorite YouTube channel,
DPKIDS.
DPKIDS. Lots of kids know about DPKIDS right now. And on this YouTube channel, I will be posting lots of drawing tutorials on animals and many other. So why don't you tell our viewers how to find us?
Search DPKIDS and subscribe us.
Subscribe.
Also click the bell button
Yep.
to get more updates. Don't forget to like and comment too.
Comment as well. These drawing tutorials show you how to draw step by step with video lessons on YouTube. Never mind. Binudi, do you know what we're gonna draw today? Do you?
No.
Never mind. Today we are gonna teach you to draw a beautiful flower vase. These days everyone at home would love to grow flowers, vegetables, small plants in pots or vases. So we will help you to learn those things. Vinudi, you do like it, huh? Okay. So we are
yes.
not gonna take more time and we'll start our drawing. Okay, let's start like this. We're gonna draw a curve right on the middle of the paper. Like this way. Can you?
Yes.
Okay. It's a U shape. Just go up a bit more. Awesome. Then we are gonna draw a line, a diagonal line that's like the petal. Good. Now we are gonna draw a line that comes down it. Okay. Now, in the middle of the top, we are gonna draw an upside down V letter. Okay. Yes, that's awesome. Then, draw a straight line down like this. Can you do it?
Okay.
Okay. Alright then. Now, gonna draw another line that comes down from the stem. That's right. What we're gonna do after next? We can draw a pot, or as you said, we can draw a leaf. We'll start from the leaf. Now we could draw a leaf right next to the stem. Yes, that's cool. Then we are gonna draw a line coming back down. Yes, that's awesome. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Now let's just draw a line in the middle. Like that. Then add some lines to look like a leaf. Draw more lines like this. 1, 2. Okay. Now, let's draw a pot. First, draw a curve like this. We want to make it 3D, right? So we are gonna make it look like flowers coming out of the hole. Great! Now, we could start a line right here down the paper. And next, we are gonna draw 2 lines that connects these 2 lines. Good. That's beautiful. Good. Now we are going to draw a longer line. Mark right here and draw a line like this. And the other side the same way. That's right. Wow. Awesome. High five. Yeah. And now we are going to match these lines with a straight line. Like this way. Okay, to make it more realistic, we'll draw some soil. Like this way, to look more real. Now we are all done drawing. Now let's color it.
Okay.
Let's choose brown, orange,
Okay.
green, and yellow. May I take it from here?
Okay, sure.
We're gonna start from these colors. First of all, we'll start from the flower. Like this. Okay then.
Okay.
Shall we fast forward, guys? Here we go. Okay, now the stem and the leaves in green color,
Green
like
color.
this.
Uncle, I have a question. Why did we color it in red instead of pink?
If you don't like red, it's okay. It doesn't matter. You can color in any color that you want. Just learn how to color creatively. Then you will learn to choose colors accordingly. Be free when you choose colors. Think beyond and create.
Uncle, instead of orange, can use brown too, right?
Yes, of course. As we used platinum pens, we just have limited colors. But if you are using crayons, you can add more colors to your drawings. Now, we'll color in brown. Here we go. We had fun drawing today, right? Shall we show it to our friends?
Okay.
This is our tulip flower vase. Hope you learned our easy steps. What you can do is practice. Watch this tutorial and practice often. Okay, everybody. So, tell them how to connect to our YouTube channel.
Yes.
Okay, let's tell our friends how to.
Subscribe our YouTube channel DPKIDS. Click the bell button. Don't forget to like.
Yes, you
And
can
comment
like
too.
and comment and tell us how to improve our channel. So like that, you can join with DP
DP
Kids.
Kids.
So,
Yes.
we'll meet up with another beautiful drawing like this next time. Till then, stay with us. What are we gonna say?
Good luck.
See you. Good luck.